This is the outline of the deck. You see the post supports there from the master bedroom up along the west side and then all the way across the front. And up to there, that's the support, that's all covered. And then down this side, down some steps, and just a little pathway from those steps to the back door of the garage. Entry to the utility room and entry to the mechanical room, water heater, circuit boxes, etc. Washer and dryer. This is all tiled. Tile through the kitchen. The outline of the kitchen counter is actually drawn here. I don't know if it'll show up on the video. Counter comes out, then it does a jog to the right to make room for the master bedroom door. Under the counter, a cabinet like what we have now, counter, sink, stove, refrigerator, kitchen pantry, big pantry, closet under the stairs, stairs will be cased in, carpeted, and then at the top will be a wrought iron rail across the landing area or the sitting area of the loft. Fireplace, TV, dining room table with a hanging chandelier. The loft, future bathroom, future bedroom or bedrooms, and the loft sitting area. Front walkway, garage, and a big turnaround area leading down to the drive, and room over here for 2 cars to park.